Osmo Nano. Underwater usage notes. Before use. The multifunctional vision dock cannot be used underwater. Remove the vision dock before using the camera underwater. Make sure the lens protective cover is firmly mounted. And check the maximum waterproof depth of the camera. Floating handle. When using for diving, it is recommended to use the DJI floating handle. If you let go of the camera while diving, the floating handle will float to the surface. Cleaning. Rinse the camera with clean water after using it underwater. Wipe the surface of the camera with a soft and dry cloth. Completely dry it before using it again. If the contacts are wet or dirty, clean them with a soft, dry cloth before connection to avoid short circuits or corrosion. Do not dry the camera with hot air by using a hairdryer. Splash-resistant design. When the camera is attached to the multifunctional vision dock, the entire system achieves IPX4 splash resistance.